Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for Angular developers, clearing the cache after a new deployment. This is super important to ensure your users always see the latest version of your app and avoid frustrating issues. After deploying your shiny new Angular application, sometimes users might still see the old version. This happens because browsers aggressively cache files like JavaScript, CSS, and images. We need to make sure the browser knows there's a new version and fetches the updated files. Let's explore some best practices for tackling this. 1. Version assets. One of the most effective methods is versioning your assets. This means adding a unique identifier to your file names whenever you make a change. For example, instead of main.js, you'd have main.12345.js. The numbers can be anything. It could even be the commit hash of the latest commit in the repo. Angular CLI makes this easy using the output hashing flag during the build process. Just running build prod output hashing equals all. When you deploy a new version, the file names change, and the browser automatically downloads the updated files because it sees them as new. 2. Cache busting query parameters. Another technique involves appending a query parameter to your asset URLs. For instance, main.js v equals 12345. Similar to version assets, the v parameter changes with each deployment. Although the file name stays the same, the browser treats the URL as unique and fetches the new version. You can implement this by creating an interceptor that intercepts calls to static assets and appends a version number as a query parameter. Angular allows you to manipulate request headers. This is where you can append the required cache busting parameters to the appropriate requests. 3. Service workers. Service workers are powerful tools that act as a proxy between your web app and the network. They can cache assets and serve them even when the user is offline. However, you need to configure them correctly to ensure updates are propagated. Angular CLI provides built-in support for service workers. When a new version of your app is deployed, the service worker can detect the changes and update the cached assets. Make sure you are not overly aggressive with caching when using service workers. If not, it could make things harder to clear your application's cache. For manual cache clearing, discouraged while tempting, asking users to manually clear their browser cache isn't ideal. It's not user-friendly and relies on them taking action. Focus on automated solutions instead. These automated methods are much better because they handle the cache clearing seamlessly without requiring any effort from the user. By implementing these strategies, you can ensure your users always experience the latest version of your Angular application, leading to a better user experience and fewer support requests. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below.